Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a refill redesign video, and I wanted to show the old set. So this is her previous set. If you want to see how I did this, please check the video in the cards. I have a full tutorial on this look. So this is how the nails look when she came back to me. A couple were missing and the rest were holding on strong even after 6 weeks of wear. And I didn't have any acetone on hand for a full soak off, so I decided to experiment and use nail forms today. So this is how I like to put on nail forms. I like to pinch the tip first, and then I like to fit it right under the free edge, and then I close the top folds down. These nail forms by Nail Harmony are amazing. They're extremely sticky and sturdy, which is really important so that your form doesn't lose shape as you're applying acrylic. And that way you can have the form applied to all of the nails and you don't have to worry about them. A lot of you guys were asking me on Instagram if I found the nail forms easier, and I think for refills like this is an easier solution than filing down all of the product or taking all the time to soak off all of the product. In that sense, it's easier, but as far as applying the acrylic, I think I still prefer tips, only because with nail forms you have to take the extra time to make sure that you're applying it within the guidelines. But with tips, there's not really a lot of room for mistake because you only have the tip there. But that isn't really that big of a deal. They're still awesome and I would still use them again in the future. But as you can see, I'm just going in with my clear acrylic and my number 12 oval alpha brush, and I'm just filling in and building up my nails. Nail forms are also an excellent choice for when you have a bitten nail client or someone that has very short nails. If they don't have a proper free edge for gluing a tip onto, you can just put a nail form and sculpt them a nice nail. So that's kind of what I had to do on some of her fingernails because she didn't have a free edge. and it worked out just fine. So this is how you want to remove them. Just peel off the top flaps first and then pinch the bottom part away from the acrylic until it pops out of place, and then pull the form down and forward away from your client's finger. If you push back on the form, it will hurt, so try not to do that. So after file shaping and buffing, I'm just going to apply one thin layer of Madam Glam Perfect Black. In hindsight, I probably should have done 2 layers to make the nails completely opaque, but the chrome I'm using is very full coverage, so they looked fine, but in some lighting settings they're a little bit see-through, and it's not a bad look, but it might not be for everyone. So maybe just do that second coat and don't be lazy like me. But after that first coat has cured very well, I'm going to put Ibd Intense Seal, and then I'm going to burnish in some HeraViolet Chameleon Chrome from Daily Charm.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get back to this place. We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. 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 I'll be holding you.
Once this chrome has been burnished very well until it has reached a mirror-like shine, I'm going to top coat with Ibd Intense Seal, and I'm not going to brush too hard so I don't disturb the chrome too much, and then I'm going to cure.
Thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
So after cleaning off all the chrome, I apply cuticle oil, and this is the finished result. It's very simple but very striking. I absolutely love this chrome, and it's a great idea for refills because it's so easy to do and it will cover any design. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!